Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll be talking about liability. In my earlier video, I had told you about financial related things. So, in my journey, I will complete many more things related to finance. Let's begin with the topic. Liability, what it is in actual terms. A liability is a financial obligation or debt that a company or an individual owes to another party. Liabilities are typically settled over time through the transfer of economic benefits such as money, goods or services. हिंदी में बोले तो लाइबिलिटी को हम उधार कहते हैं. So that is what it is. It is classified in two terms. The first one is current and the second one is long term liabilities. So what does current liability means? So these are short term obligations that are due within 1 year or within the normal operating cycle of a business. What does it mean? It means that आपका 1 साल के अंदर आपको उधार चुकाना है और उस उधार चुकाने के पीरियड को करंट लाइबिलिटी कहते हैं. इट इंक्लूड्स अकाउंट पेबल, शॉर्ट टर्म लोन्स एंड अक्योर्ड एक्सपेंसेस. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू लॉन्ग टर्म लाइबिलिटीज, you have extended your 1 year to 2 year, 3 year and furthermore. So that is called long term liability. It includes bonds payable, deferred tax liabilities. So yeah, that is what it is. And yes, there are some jargon points which you have not understood in this video. I'll make a separate video so that you can understand what is deferred tax liability, payable, account accrued expenses, account payable, and many more jargon words are written over here, so don't be afraid of it. I'll definitely provide to you. Now it is a time to discuss about limited liability. Limited liability is a legal structure where a business owner's financial responsibility is restricted to a fixed amount, usually the value of their investment in the company. This concept is fundamental in corporate structure, particular for corporations and LLC, limited liability companies. So अगर मैं इसको हिंदी में समझाऊँ तो ये एक ऐसा लाइबिलिटी है जहाँ अपना खुद का पर्सनल एसेट को हमें पे नहीं करना होता है किसी भी टर्म में. सो दैट वाज द लिमिटेड लाइबिलिटी. हियर कम्स व्हाट द प्रोटेक्शंस एंड things are provided by limited liability. So the first one is protection for owners. Owners' personal assets are protected from business debt and claims. Like it will incur debt or is sued owners and only liable for the amount that has to be paid for the company, that is written over the consent. Encourage investment. If there is no such difficulty for undermining the protection, the company will encouraged to more invest on limited liabilities and all. So yeah, it encouraged to invest more and without risking their personal wealth beyond their investment in the company. And sorry for the noise, guys. Legal entity. Legal liability companies and corporation are considered separate legal entities from their owners, which means the company itself can own property, enter contracts, sue and be sued. So these were the key pointers which I have to highlight to you guys. So limited liability is such an amazing thing. When you will issue this, you will be protected from unlimited liability. There is a term called limited and unlimited liability. And unlimited liability, there is a liability where you have to risk your personal account also. So that was the video is all about for liabilities. In my further video, I'll talk about something more. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button, share and subscribe to the channel.